Hello everyone and welcome back to Lindasartsystudio. Today we're going to make fidget spinners again. My brother's son loves to play with those, so I've decided to do 3 for him. And I wanted to try one of the new colors from Dianca Pours, so I've decided to do the Coral Cave, I don't know, but that one. And then one in neon. It's from Resin Pro. You can find them on Amazon, I think, if they aren't gone now. And you get a set of a lot of colors. And I've chosen green. And then one glitter. So this is sea blue glitter flakes, and there is the number if you want it, and it is from lrisy. I don't know how to pronounce it. I am sorry for that. So we'll start with this coral. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited to try it now. And I can see it's not just orange. It is like a goldy. It has a goldy tint to it also, which is good. So here is the first color. Oh, I love this. It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Just look at it. Gorgeous color. It has been some couple of days since I poured anything, so I think I want to pour this in this color. And I've mixed up way too much. They are so small, but that's good. I think tiny bit more, going to eye level to check it, but it's fine. I have extra molds here, so and I don't mind it. So I will take out this and make a puffy heart. And let's see. I think we can pour it into those also and just pour different colors in. It doesn't matter how they really look, it's extra. So I will go and mix up the next color and I will be right back. When I'm mixing neons, I usually take a separate cup. I will move those a little bit and put some mica in here. Sorry, this takes time just because the hole is so small, but that's fine. I think that is good. Otherwise we will mix up more. Then I take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and it doesn't matter how you make it. This is one way to make it. It is just because I don't want any lumps in my pieces. If you don't do it this way, you will get like lumps in your pieces and it will look kind of ugly, my opinion, but that's optional. I think I will leave that for the glitter, and this one for the green. That looks good. Next color in here. And a little bit for the lid. Sorry. And I will be back when I've mixed up the glitter and the resin. I've used a different stick because when you're using glitter, it will normally stick to your like sticks, so, and it's really hard to get it off. It is impossible. Not impossible, but it will, you probably could get it off if you really wanted to, but it is hard and resin will cure, and I don't think it will be pretty. So here is this, and it looks great. I think I will put some, give me a second. Here I will put some clear Elmer's glue. It is important. I think that it's, that one, I think I poured in too much. Yeah, it's really lumpy now. Oh no. It is like this. Oh no. Poured in a little bit too much, but one drop will go way too far. I will use some isopropanol and try to pour it in. And you need to like cut it almost, but with your stick. Like that will be probably good. And a little bit of glitter into this. And to that. And I will use, I got it myself this, it's kind of bigger, to take off all the bubbles. I think I will use this too. Try to take out a little bit of the resin. It comes. No. What can I pour that into? I will find something I can just pour it into this, I don't care. I will probably fill it up another day. So that is it for now. I will be back tomorrow when it's time for me to demold. Bye for now. Okay, quick demold. I will pour those one more time, but in a different color. Just so he can have something to play with. So we have this and this. And here comes the glitter. Beautiful. I will let them cure for a little bit longer because it hasn't been 24 hours since I poured them. I will mix up more colors and pour them again. Can take the extra out also. This little jar. Okay, it is kind of ugly. Seriously. But yeah, it was extra. So here is the things. I will pour those again. That one I can't take out because that one is not filled up. So I will be back when I have the time. I needed to tell you the jar that I made that I thought was ugly. My son wanted it, so he got it. I finished it and just gave it to him. I will do one set more. And first one, I will use some chameleon powders from Rolio. And this is Galaxy Lamprinia, I think it's you say, like that. It was a long time ago I used chameleon powders, so I thought, why not do that again. I'm making a different kind of ones for my brother's kid. He really enjoys it. You can play with them for hours, so it can give my brother a little bit of time to himself. So if he can be happy with this small of amount and play with it, I am okay with that. And let me see what I can find for the other two, what I want to do. I think I can paint it in another color, this one. Maybe Cyan Essence. I think it says that, Essence. If my camera wants to focus. Yeah, whatever. I am sorry, but my camera don't want to focus that good right now, so I will leave it. This has a little bit of a blue tint to it. I think it will turn more blue if you put black behind it. I don't know. I think I will put black in this and that one. And do the third one in another color. I think I got everything on that also. And I think I will just color this in a color. So I will be right back when I mixed up my resin and choose a color for that one. Change my mind again. I will use the chrome powder from Let's Resin in blue. It says blue. I don't know if it's the new kit or the old kit, but it doesn't matter. I have both of them. But for you guys, I can check. I think this is the old set because I don't have the black in it. And the new set has a black. like this. That looks good. I think I got every part of it. And there is something that shouldn't be in there. Give me a second. Okay, now I ruined the painting. I will just fix it like that. That looks good. Put this away, and now I will mix up just black. Mixed up a little bit more in here. We are going to use the Anka Satin Black for this. Just to make the background black for all the colors. They are being better or more vibrant, should I say, if you put black on the back. If you put white on those two, they will be this subtle, like this color. If you put black, they will change to a more vibrant color. So yeah, for you, when I demold, it will be in a second, but for me, I will wait 24 hours. So here comes the black in this, and I really hope that you will enjoy this as much as I know that he likes to play with them at his grandma's house. My son really likes to play with those also. He has his own ones, my oldest son. My youngest hasn't got any yet, but I will probably make for him later also, not now. Oops. And then put this into this. And this one will probably be a little bit more boring flower. Just the black flower isn't like the prettiest color, but it is just an extra, so I don't mind it. It is just for giving something to people who buy stuff from me, so I don't really care about that. If I can get that one to pop, that would be great. Yeah, so now I will just watch over it, and I will be back when this and all of that is cured. That one I won't take out now. So I will be back when this is cured. Okay, it's time for me to demold. I will leave this because this is not filled in, and I don't want to take this out because I can break the seal on that one. So I will leave that for the next pour for another day. Here's this. Oh, beautiful. And it hasn't been like fully 24 hours since I poured them, so they are tiny bit soft. Not much, but a little bit. I will leave them like that. Those I've finished. That one is yet to do. I will assemble them together with you in the evening. Okay, those two are done and functioning. This one never cured properly. It's bendy still, and it has been way over 48 hours. So that one is kaput. Sadly, I don't know why. Those are rock hard. So we are going to assemble them. First off, you take the long part, then this, and push it in. And then that one that don't have that, and put that in, and it should be okay. There. Then you do the same with the next one. Done, and then we will take a white one also. Like there. Put this in, that one in, and then that one, and it works. Now all of them works. Yeah, that one I will wait to take out because the flower is not done yet. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this pretty little video. You can do whatever you want with them. You can use flowers in them, alcohol ink, yeah, you name it. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.